A man and a woman live in a house. They do not have children and they are sad. One day, they have a very small baby. The baby is the size of a thumb. His name is Tom Thumb. His parents love him very much. Tom Thumb is very intelligent. His father has a horse and a cart. Tom Thumb sits in the horse's ear. He says, "Go," and "Stop." The horse listens to Tom Thumb. The father is happy. Two men see Tom Thumb. They want the boy to make money. They say to the father, "Sell the boy." The father says, "No." But Tom Thumb says, "Father, accept the money. I return soon." The father sells the boy for gold. Tom Thumb travels in a man's hat. At night, Tom Thumb jumps to the ground. He runs to a small hole. The men cannot see the boy. They are angry and they leave. Tom Thumb sleeps in a snail shell. In the morning, a cow eats hay. The cow swallows Tom Thumb. He is in the cow's stomach. Tom Thumb shouts, "No more food." A woman hears the cow and she is afraid. The father kills the cow and throws the stomach in the trash. Then, a wolf eats the stomach. Tom Thumb is inside the wolf. Tom Thumb says to the wolf, "In my house there is a lot of meat." The wolf goes to the house and eats a lot. Now the wolf is very fat and cannot leave. Tom Thumb shouts loudly. The father hears the boy. The father kills the wolf with an axe. Tom Thumb comes out. He is safe and sound. The father and the mother are very happy. They hug Tom Thumb. The parents say, "We love you."